Want to show professional, interactive PDF documents right on your WordPress site without making visitors download anything? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the best way to embed PDFs directly onto your pages using Elementor and the PDF Viewer add-on. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to let visitors read, zoom, or even print your PDFs, all from inside your website with no extra clicks or confusion. Let's dive right in. First off, it's 2025 and the days of just linking to a PDF for people to download are behind us. The most polished, user-friendly approach is using an interactive PDF viewer. This keeps your audience engaged on your site and just feels a lot more seamless, especially when you want to share things like brochures, ebooks, menus, or forms. And the easiest, most professional way to do this is by harnessing Elementor's power, paired with a dedicated plugin called PDF Viewer for Elementor. Alright, fire up your WordPress dashboard and head over to Plugins on the left sidebar. Hover over it, then click Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type in PDF Viewer for Elementor. You should see the plugin pop up pretty quickly. It'll probably have good ratings, which is always reassuring. Hit Install now, and once that's done, click Activate. This part is a breeze, but don't worry if it takes a second. Sometimes WordPress needs a moment to get everything ready. Next, let's choose which page you want your PDF to appear on. Open your pages list and find your target page, then click Edit with Elementor. Now in Elementor's editing view, you'll see all your sections and widgets. In the Widgets panel on the left, type PDF into the search box, and you'll see a PDF Viewer widget. It usually has an icon resembling a PDF document. Just drag and drop this widget exactly where you want your PDF to show up. If you're not sure where to put it yet, just drop it in and you can always move it around later. It's super flexible. Once your widget is placed, look to the left panel again and click on the Content tab. Here you'll notice an upload icon. Go ahead and click that and choose the PDF file you want to display. You can upload a new PDF or select one that's already in your media library. If it's a large file, give it a moment. Uploading might take a few seconds. With your PDF uploaded, it's time to customize how it looks and behaves for your visitors. Elementor lets you fine-tune the viewer's height and width, so adjust those settings until the PDF fits nicely within your overall page layout. For example, if you're embedding a menu or a report, you might want it bigger, but for things like certificates or forms, something smaller might look less overwhelming. Another small but powerful detail, the toolbar options. You can choose whether to allow users to download, print, or zoom the PDF. Think about your audience here. If you prefer they just view the document, you can hide the download button. If they may need a printed copy, leave those tools enabled. It's all about balancing control with convenience. When you're happy with how things look, don't forget to hit Update to save your changes. Go ahead and preview your page to see the PDF in action. You'll notice it's fully interactive, letting visitors flip pages, zoom in or out, or even print all instantly. And that's it. You've just embedded a professional, interactive PDF into your WordPress site using Elementor. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I always do my best to help out. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more clear WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.